Hi, this is the JWK Blacks, one of the budget switches from JWK. The JWK Black is a linear switch and supports 5-pin sockets. It has a cherry housing and comes with a full nylon PA66 for the bottom housing and the top housing. The spring has an actuation force of 42 grams and a bottom out force of 58.5 grams. The stem is made out of palm. Here's a sound comparison with other budget switches. This only costs 13 pesos per switch. Very minimal scratchiness and only a bit of spring ping. It's very smooth stock since they're already lightly factory lube. They are very much worth the price. If you're on a budget and need some thocky switches, this might be for you. Here's the stock sound test.